Hey guys, welcome to Mighty Machine Masters, where we discuss some of the best cutting-edge machine technologies. This episode will explore the most amazing industrial machines working at peak efficiency. So let's get right to it. Technique Kipao Slag Taurus. The machine you're currently looking at is the Technique Kipao Slag Taurus. In industrial operations, slags are byproducts obtained when ores are smelted and when metals are recycled. When these slags are obtained, they're in molten form, meaning they possess a high amount of heat that requires a particular type of transportation, and this is what the Technique Kipao Slag Taurus provides. It is an unrivaled tech that meets the task of transporting such an abrasive material with high efficiency while withstanding the corrosive properties of the slags. These slags are sure to be delivered in the smoothest transportation and convenience imaginable, helping industries take on their slags like they were born out of the ashes of lava and magma. The Big Bud 16V747 Tractor. The Big Bud 16V747 tractor is regarded as the dinosaur of vehicles and was created 36 years ago. Despite its age on the market since its creation, this tractor still holds the record title for the largest tractor in the world, with its length dimension being 8.5 meters and width dimension being 6.4 meters and 4.2 meters in height. In terms of weight, this bad boy packs 48 tons, and equivalent to the high-end weights Captain America lifted in the comics. For its power, the tractor has been provided with a 16-cylinder diesel engine generating 900 horsepower as its maximum output. One can only imagine how powerful a sound it would produce at close range. That's not all though, because in 1978, the price tag for this tractor was slated at $300,000, an unbelievable price for a vehicle at the time. Tajfun Garden Sprayer. Tajfun garden sprayers can be used in any kind of garden, as they come in different types and varieties. For instance, the back pool sprayer on Model 2000 is connected to a column attachment. This method primarily aims to spray intensive gardens with trees up to 5 meters tall. Depending on the size and density of leaves on the trees, the operator can modify the air jet, the working liquid, and spraying parameters. In addition to the main tank, the sprayer features 3 built-in tanks, one for hand washing and one for rinsing the equipment. It has a 7-meter height range and a 5-meter width with a turbine efficiency of 36,000 meters cubed per hour. This grants it the ability to carry out operations at the speed of a cheetah. Tubebackr 293. Taking the first spot on the list is the Tubebackr 293, which was designed and built in 1995 by the company Takraf, located in Germany. It is a very humongous machine, holding the title as the biggest mining machine being used today and also as the largest vehicle to be constructed on Earth. It comprises buckets on a wheel which rotates and removes soil material from the earth to reveal deeper layers. It is a surface mining machine that can remove around 240,000 cubic meters of soil daily, with its enabling features of 96 meters in height, 225 meters in length, and a weight of 16,000 tons. The bucket wheel of this machine is 21 meters in diameter and consists of 18 buckets which can hold as much as 15 cubic meters of material. Can you imagine what insane power it exhibits? Also, 5 people are needed to operate this machine. A bit similar to the Power Rangers controlling the Megazord, but this big boy runs on an external power source providing 16 megawatts of energy. Moving this machine is a bit tasking, with 12 Caterpillar tracks being needed for the entire machine to be mounted upon, after which its mobility is a little slow with a top speed of 10 meters per minute. CAT 6040 Excavator. The CAT 6040 Excavator is a gigantic machine made by Caterpillar, a leading hand in manufacturing heavy machinery. Working in the mining sector, the CAT 6040 excavator mines soil material at the mining site with a weight of 1,400 tons. A hydraulic excavator ranked among the world's largest excavators, this titan is used during large-scale mining projects to ensure efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Its 34 cubic meters bucket and hydraulics make it able to move vast amounts of soil material daily. You should see this guy in action, as it does its work like child's play. The Trailer Loader TSP 275. ASA Lift's TSP 275 trailer loader is a technological marvel. This sophisticated machine harvests sweet potatoes with remarkable efficiency. The picker bell takes the crops which the plow shares softly on the farm. The hydraulic shakers remove the soil on the crop before it finally gets to the sorting table, where manual sorting is done. Only the best components are used for the machine to last long, have increased dependency, and have minimal operating costs. It has a height of 8 meters and a width of 5 meters, and its engine is 3,000 horsepower, which makes for a very speedy harvest of those potatoes. Komatsu D575A Dozer. First up, we have the Komatsu D575A Dozer, renowned for its colossal size and impressive power. This colossal crawler, boasting a robust 1,150 horsepower engine, is not your average bulldozer. It's a super dozer that can carry 90 cubic yards of load. Manufactured by Komatsu, this super dozer is one of the largest in existence. It is designed for monumental earth-moving tasks and massive construction projects. With a weight that could make even Godzilla take a second look, the D575A is a true giant, capable of moving vast amounts of material with ease. Its massive blade that resembles a colossal iron snowplow can effectively cut through the toughest terrains, making it indispensable for large-scale mining and earth-moving operations. The Komatsu D575A's size is not just impressive, it's like trying to fit an elephant into a compact car space. It's so massive that when it's time to hit the road, it needs to be disassembled into components, requiring 6 to 8 truckloads to transport, depending on local laws. The Gens SF Hacker Hem 821 DQ Cobra Plus Hybrid. Sawmills and wood processing factories need machines capable of processing wood into sawdust. The Gens SF Hacker Hem 821 DQ Cobra Plus Hybrid chips wood into fine particles with extreme might and precision. Even the toughest mahogany becomes mincemeat for this heavy machine, making it a sought-after choice by those in the business. By doing so, they save on cost and time, as all that is needed is an operator to load the wood material into the teeth for the chipping process. Latorno L2350. A made-in-America excavator, the Latorno L2350 costs $1.5 million and weighs 258 tons, holding the record for the largest excavator in the world. It boasts an engine rated at 2,300 horsepower and can lift loads of 400 tons. In its design, massive rubber tires are included in the mix with a large diesel engine of 65 liters in capacity coupled with 16 turbocharged cylinders to deliver 2,300 horsepower. Good luck going against that. Not only that, the excavator bucket has a 4,520 liter capacity, can go as high as 7.3 meters, and extend up to 3.5 meters. This Texas-born colossal road machine is surely a good contender for the king of beasts on the road. The prototype John Deere walking tractor. This walking tractor clears snow and mud from mountains and other steep terrains. It is an important machine used in the forest industry. It can move forward, backwards, turn in place, move diagonally, step over obstacles, and move sideways, all from a well-articulated 6-legged frame attached to it for locomotion. It has an engine with 4,500 horsepower and is 4 meters tall and 5 meters wide. It works very efficiently with an advanced computer system that helps monitor these pathways and terrains through which the machine moves. It also monitors its procedures to ensure speed, direction, and other necessities are in check. Belaz 75600. This is a haul truck used to carry volumes of unwanted pieces and materials from excavation. Built in Belarus by the Belarusian Auto Works, it is one of the largest mining trucks available. The USSR has employed the use of these giants at various sites like the Bachatsky coal mine to carry out their mining operations. The Belaz measures 14 meters in length, almost 10 meters wide, and 7.2 meters tall. Weighing 260 tons, which makes it unsuitable for applying normal roads, hence the need for specially constructed routes for its mobility. For its source of energy, a Cummins engine which produces 3,500 horsepower is used and thus provides a top speed of 64 kilometers per hour when empty and allows the truck to carry loads of up to 350 tons through a short distance at a reasonable speed. Whether it rained cats and dogs or fire and brimstone, this truck's ability to withstand any weather condition makes it a top choice for many in the construction industry. T282 diesel-electric mining trucks. These trucks used in mining processes are known for their short ton capacity of 400 tons and 64 kilometers per hour speed. They're often attributed with being the first trucks to revolutionize mining truck technology, with features that enable them to transport heavy soil materials across the harshest terrains. They get the job done despite having the hassles or inconveniences that may occur because that's just how they were built, to be rugged and satisfy the needs of users. Liebherr Mining Excavator R9400. The Liebherr Mining Excavator R9400 Tier 4F is a heavy-duty powerhouse, boasting a robust 1,250 kilowatt engine that effortlessly fills up a haul truck in just 4 passes. With a colossal bucket capacity of 37 cubic yards. It's a material-devouring giant designed for large-scale mining operations. This beast laughs in the face of challenging conditions, working seamlessly regardless of the environmental challenges thrown its way. Weighing in from 110 to over 800 tons, these excavators are the true titans of the mining world, with the R9400 leading the pack in the Liebherr lineup. This high-tech superhero equipped with a Tier 4F engine ensures it meets stringent emission standards without compromising on mining prowess. For this, we can say that the R9400 is the James Bond of mining equipment, operating with the stealth of a secret agent. Its bucket resembles the appetite of a T-Rex that gulps vast amounts of material with precision and efficiency. The next, Thresher Trench Maker. This enormous device creates trenches in a matter of seconds. The next Thresher produces these with a maximum depth of 5.5 meters and a maximum width of 1.5 meters. Fiber optic cable and water pipes are installed using a trenching machine. The trench maker itself has a dimensions of 8 meters in height and 6 meters in width, with a turbo engine of 4,000 horsepower. These specifications put this machine on a level unlike any of its counterparts as it digs these trenches before its users get hungry. Caterpillar 797F. Sitting on a market price of $5 million, the 797F Caterpillar was introduced to the public in September 2008 at an international expo. It replaced the old model 797B after its full production in the latter part of 2009. It weighs a cool 360 tons and is a monster in load lifting. We're talking The Rock, Dwayne Johnson lifting weights type of lifting. Toll Incorporated Crosshatcher. Next on the list is the Toll Incorporated Crosshatcher, which changes the pruning game on orchards and vineyards. It has a set of rotating blades that spin and trim trees on both sides simultaneously and rapidly. It has a precision technology that helps it prune these trees with so much accuracy and efficiency, making it a profound option for dressers and those working in these orchards and vineyards. When you use this fantastic machine, you'll be done before your tea goes cold. Caterpillar 6090 FS. This is the CAT 6090 FS, the heavyweight champion of hydraulic excavators that proudly flaunts its colossal operating weight of 1,102 tons and a muscle-flexing engine output of 4,500 horsepower. Manufactured by Caterpillar Incorporated, the machine is used in the heavy-duty realms of mining and earth-moving operations. Standing tall at 32 feet and 9 inches, the CAT 6090 FS is not an average digger. It's equipped with features that make it a standout in the excavation arena. The automatic rollback limiter prevents material spillage onto the cab, ensuring a clean work environment while supporting maximum bucket capacity. This behemoth doesn't just rely on brawn. Its undercarriage and crawler components are reinforced to stand strong against the wear and tear of heavy-duty operations. And if numbers impress you, how about a bucket capacity of 68 cubic yards and an engine output of 4,500 horsepower? The CAT 6090 FS is not just an excavator. It's a powerhouse with finesse, making it one of the biggest shovels in the world with a payload capacity of 104 tons. Bulk Cutter. The bulk cutter is the world's first vehicle for extracting minerals from deep waters. Its purpose was to recover massive sulfides from the seafloor in the Bismarck Sea off the coast of Papua New Guinea. Through an umbilical turning vessel, the power is applied. The bulk cutter brings a whole new look to digging, turning, and clearing operations with a height of 7 meters and 3,500 horsepower engine that roars like thunder. You can never go wrong in your operations while using this amazing machine. Tunnel boring machine. Remember the old days of hand mining? Well, those days are long gone, all thanks to this tunnel boring machine, which is also known as the mole in excavation circles. This high-tech marvel is not your average digging device. It's the go-to choice for tunnel excavation, making it the rock star of underground construction. Designed to bore through the toughest terrains, be it hard rock, wet or dry soil or sand, this is like the superhero of tunneling. It's the alternative to traditional drilling and blasting methods, ensuring a smoother and more precise tunneling experience. Unlike the days of hand mining or resorting to explosive methods, this machine is the cool cat that comes in to save the day. It's practically the ninja of the excavation world, silently slicing through the earth with finesse. Tooth Predator Trencher. When you hear the word predator, you often think of a wild animal devouring smaller animals, and in the realm of machines, that notion isn't far off. This machine conquers and devours the most complex and challenging soil to dig out trenches for various purposes like passing plumbing pipes, laying telephone cables, laying electric wires, gas lines, sewer lines, etc. A machine with formidable power, the Tooth Predator Trencher smoothly cuts these trenches with an optimized engine and rigid features. SLJ 932. Sitting at number 6 is the SLJ 932 bridge girder, valued at $7 million and weighing 580 tons. It is also known as the Iron Monster and was made to assist in building bridges, making the entire process easier and more efficient. Manufactured by Beijing Wow Joint Machinery Company, this machine was designed to lift heavy beams for bridge building to great heights. With a measurement of 92 meters in length, 580 tons in weight, 9 meters in height, and a speed of 8 kilometers per hour on light weight and 5 kilometers per hour when carrying beams, this incredible hulk is a marvelous wonder to behold. The Berkey Waterway Cleaning Machine. A piece of contemporary machinery for cleaning water bodies is the Berkey Waterway Cleaning Machine. It has specialized tools to clean the water surface and bottom of various pollutants such as leaves, branches, debris, and algae. These devices aid in improving the situation as plastic and other debris pollution of water bodies is becoming a significant issue. This machine has a working height of 8 meters and a width of 6 meters and does its amazing work with an engine of 4,500 horsepower, which helps it perform the selfless task of keeping the environment clean. Locotrack LT200. After the digging process of soil materials from the ground, crushing to see which parts are to be kept and refined further and which are to be thrown away is necessary. Many ways are available for this to be done, but one which proves to be the most effective is the use of a mobile cone crusher, of which the Locotrack LT200 is the largest on the market. It has a length of 16 meters, a width of 3 meters, a height of 3.4 meters, and a weight of 35 tons. It finds use in a variety of operations like producing ballast for railway construction and asphalt for roads. It has a 415 horsepower Cat engine and a Nordberg HP 200 crushing unit, along with a conveyor belt to make the entire process a continuous one, just like the Oompa Loompas making chocolates at the Willy Wonka chocolate factory. Front cutter blowers. Front cutter blowers is a new snow removal technology for high maintenance and heavy duty work. To remove snow from regions with heavy snow, this machine is attached to a tractor and driven through the snow with its giant rotating blade, spinning and ejecting the snow through a nozzle at the top. It can go through a considerable amount of the snow in a day while efficiently clearing it with a turbocharged engine of 3,500 horsepower. Danvik DD422i. Most of the machines we've discussed has been employed in open surface mining, but the Danvik has been made to work beneath the surface digging earth. Being the biggest underground machine, the Danvik DD422i is a development drill rig that is used to dig into areas that are thought to be rich in valuable resources. Being 29 tons in weight, 13 meters in length, 2.5 meters in width, and 3.1 meters in height, this machine is powered by a Cummins engine and possesses a set of hydraulic drills which can be automated for efficiency. For safety, extra cutter heads and fire extinguishers have been placed in the vehicle, so users can be safe to carry out their operations, drilling away with their hearts like the Gurren Lagann. Toll Incorporated Cross Hedger. The Toll Incorporated Cross Hedger is a machine used for trimming trees. It has been made with features that make it very fast and effective on site. Finding good use in vineyards, orchards, and other environments of agricultural practices. Its innovative design has super strong blades that can cut through trees like paper, trimming and sizing them into various shapes. With a unique feature that allows it to trim trees from both sides, this machine is in a league of its own among devices in the industry. It is 7 meters tall and 6 meters wide and gives exact and clean cuts to trees with an engine power of 3,000 horsepower. The Bucyrus 2570W walking dragline. The Bucyrus 2570W walking dragline machine, also known as the Big Cape, is one of the largest machines used in the United States of America. It is used in removing overburden at cast mines and has a weight of 6,500 tons, which is more than the weight of 140 Boeing 737 aircrafts. It has a height of 67 meters and an operating radius of 91 meters, the same length as a standard football pitch. A bucket is attached at the end of its boom, and the bucket has a capacity of 88 cubic meters, being able to carry a load of up to 167 tons in weight. Originally built in 1972, this Titan-looking machine continued operating until 2011 when it moved to a mine in Indiana. A crew of 20 people were needed to move it 1/10 of a mile per hour or a whole month. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.